Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to start a test meeting in Zoom. This is incredibly useful when you want to check your audio, video, and background settings before joining an important call, ensuring everything looks and sounds perfect from the start. First, open your Zoom app and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple profiles for work and personal use. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Zoom home screen where you can see various meeting options. Now look for the Join button and click on it. This is the option you'll use to enter a test meeting environment. A new window will appear prompting you to enter some information. In the field that appears, type in your meeting ID or personal link name. For a test meeting, you can use Zoom's official test meeting ID or your own personal meeting room link. Once you've entered this, go ahead and click Join. This step connects you to the meeting space where you can begin testing your setup. You'll notice another Join button appears. Click Join again to fully enter the test meeting. At this point, Zoom will activate your camera and microphone, allowing you to see and hear yourself as others would during a real call. Next, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the Zoom app. Here, you'll find the audio settings. Test your microphone by speaking out loud and watch the audio meter respond to your voice. The meter should move as you talk, indicating that your microphone is picking up sound. If you notice the meter isn't responding or the audio quality seems poor, click the drop-down menu next to the microphone icon and select a different microphone from the available options. While you're at it, verify that your video feed shows clearly without any issues. Check the lighting, angle, and overall quality of your video. Make sure there are no connectivity problems or visual glitches that might disrupt your meeting experience. Now, if you want to customize your appearance further, select Settings at the bottom of the screen. A new window will open with various configuration options. Click on Video and Effects from the menu. Navigate to the Virtual Background section where you'll see a range of background options. Select your preferred background from the available choices. This is perfect for maintaining professionalism or adding a bit of personality to your calls. Once you've completed all your tests and you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to wrap things up. End the test by clicking End Meeting at the bottom right of your screen. This closes the test session and confirms that all your settings are configured correctly for your next actual meeting. And there you have it, you've successfully tested your Zoom setup and ensured everything is working perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.